Hi everyone, my name is Jalan Bravo and this is my submission for the Build Your Own SAP Fiori App in the Cloud 2016 edition course. This application is based on the SAP Fiori Worklist application. However, I added some additional functionalities to better fit the end user needs. In addition to that, I created a custom theme to ensure the application compliance with the company's visual identity and branding guidelines. However, the most important part of this application is the automated creation of the prospect accounts, because this process was actually very time consuming for the users since they had to do this manually. So now we are doing that automatically whenever a user approves a quote request. This is the landing screen of the prospect management application. And in here, we display the list of all the requests that were submitted through the multiple websites from the company. So as you can see here, we have requests submitted through the Dunder Mifflin site, from the New Day site, from the Rocksteel site, and from the Treble site. I wanted to give the user a very easy way to identify which items needed his attention. So, in addition to displaying the status here in a column, I decided that it would be great to make it more visual to the user. So as you can see here, every single row has an icon with the web source code and a bullet in a yellow, green, or red color. So all the requests that are in pending status have a yellow bullet, all the requests in rejected status have a red bullet, and the requests in approved status have a green bullet. The users also have the option to display requests in pending status, in approved status, or in rejected status by clicking on any of the three buttons here. Also, they may want to perform a search for a specific request or for a specific set of requests. They can do that by going to the advanced search form, where they can search in two different ways: providing a request ID, or they may want to provide a set of information such as web source, status, owner, and a period of time. So let's do a search. Let's say that I want to display all the approved requests that came through the New Day website. I select New Day, approved, and then click on search. As you can see, there is only one request that matches my search criteria. Now, let's go back to the pending requests and try to open one of them to see how it looks. Let's open the first one. Once the user opens the request, we display the detail, a lot of information related to that request, and the user is also able to reject, approve, or send an email to the user. So let's take a look at the send email screen. So it's a very basic screen to send an email to the user. We cancel. We take a look at the rejection screen. In here we have to specify a rejection reason and rejection comments. And we can choose to reject. We get a confirmation message. Let's say no, because I want to approve this request. Now let's see what happens when I approve a request. I get a confirmation message, and then I click on yes. Once I click on yes, I see a message stating that the request was successfully approved, and I can even see that the status has changed to approved. I now have a approval date and the name of the person that approved this request. In addition to that, I am no longer able to approve or reject this request.